As Alberta celebrates its first 100 years as a province, the Alberta Food Processors Association has commissioned one of Canada's foremost knife makers to construct a unique Centennial knife. Mr. Edward Storch from Manville, Alberta, has been a knife maker since his early teens. He has constructed many types of knives for both practical and ceremonial purposes. For the Centennial knife, Ed Storch has crafted a dagger-style carving knife, complete with the Alberta crest scrimshawed into the handle. He has forged 5 key metals into one. Each metal represents one of the 5 key industries working together to make Alberta the vibrant and diversified province we celebrate today. These industries include agriculture, forestry, oil and gas, tourism, and of course, food processing. The Storch Centennial knife is an excellent choice to add to any collection of Alberta's heritage. Here is Ed to explain more about the artistic and technical craftsmanship that has been used in knife making for thousands of years.
I'm going to take a piece of drilling line. This is a piece of steel cable that used to be on an oil rig. I'm going to weld it into a bar. The first thing I'll do, I've already cleaned it up. I'm going to weld a handle onto it. I'll weld a handle on like this, so I can handle it when it's red hot. Then I'm going to take a piece of 5160, it's a spring steel used in agriculture. I'm going to heat it red hot, and I'm going to forge it out, going to draw it out and make it about the same shape and thickness as this 01 tool steel from the manufacturing industry. And so I'll be making this build. I'll be using the forge to heat the steel red hot. I'll be using the hydraulic press to bring the steel down to the proper width. I'll be using the air hammer to draw the steel, the 5160 steel, out into a long, thin bar. And then I'll be making all the other layers that go with it, the steel from the logging industry and the steel from the recreational industries to make the billet. I think that's good. And I'll make all the others to match it. Well, I'm going to pierce an Alberta rose right through from side to side. I'm going to drill a pilot hole and then hand file the design of the rose. This is the rough design that I'll be following. I think for this particular knife, this horn will be quite suitable. So I'll trim off the spike, cut it off, polish up the crown that the Alberta crest will be engraved on. And then we'll be doing heat treating on the knife. We'll make it hard and then draw the temper so that it's a durable knife that will hold an edge well. Then I'll be making a guard from this sheet, nickel silver, cutting it out, fitting it on, and we'll be acid etching the blade later on today. We'll put it in acid to bring the design that's inherent in the steel from the 5 different parent materials that we made it from, and where we forge welded it into the 100 layers, you can see, and the twisting that we did. This is just a test etch. The final etch will be much better, but this gives us an idea what's there. Partially completed guard will be finished. The scrimshaw on the end of the handle, the final finishing of the handle, the assembly. The scrimshaw itself will be the center portion of the armorial coat of arms.